In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful crop top using just 1 yard of fabric. First thing to do is to fold your fabric together into 2. You're going to measure down to the length of your top plus extra 3 inches for sewing allowances. You're going to mark it out, then you cut it out. After you're done cutting, you're going to divide what you cut out into 2 for both the front and the back. After doing that, fold it together into 2 just like this. You're going to be taking your measurement. You're going to measure down to the bust line and the length of your top. You're going to rule it out. After doing that, take the neck width of 3 inches and the neck depth of 4 inches, then you rule your front neckline. For the back neckline, you come down by 1 inch and rule it out. After doing that, cut it out, making sure that you give it ½ inch for sewing allowances. For the V cut, you're going to come down by 5 inches, and here you mark 1 inch. You're going to connect. After you're done connecting, cut it out. Here you're going to come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, then you cut it out. After doing that, you fold your fabric together into 4 for the sleeve. Measure the length of your sleeve, mark it out. This is going to be for the folding. Here you mark how wide you want your sleeve to be. You're going to mark it on your sleeve as well. Mark it out, then you're going to cut it out. On the sleeve area, you're just going to slope it down a little bit like this, then you cut it out. After you're done doing that, go ahead and cut facing for the neckline of both the front and the back. After you're done cutting the facing, you're going to take it to your sewing machine to start sewing. Sew the facing to both the neckline of the front and the back. After doing that, you're going to join the shoulders. After joining the shoulders, you're going to be sewing the sleeve to it. After you are done sewing the sleeve, you're going to go up here by 3 inches. You join the side, and this 3 inches is going to be for the slit. You're going to hem the slit, then after doing that, you hem the end of your top. And just like that, you are done making a simple crop top for yourself. Thank you for watching.